Hi, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to play one of my favorite band's tunes, What I Got by Sublime. Sublime is freaking awesome, and this song is not terribly hard. We're going to take a look at the rhythm guitar part that runs throughout the song. I've got my Taylor tuned up in just standard tuning, so that's E, A, D, G, B, and E, so you should do the same in order to play along. So the main rhythm guitar part uses basically just two different chords. It's a D chord and a G chord. Now we're not going to play the whole chord because we're picking out a melody from within those chords. So this is a real common thing in guitar in general. You want to think of it as basically broken versions of D and G. We don't need to fret the extra notes because we're not going to be playing them. And you don't want to as well because this is going to help it sound really smooth and effortless. So you're going to set up like you're playing a D chord and basically pick up your middle finger. It can just float. Your pinky should just float basically the whole time. We're going to pick the fourth string, which is open twice. Then you're going to pick your second string, and then your third string. Now we're going to reach over with our middle finger, and we're going to grab the third fret on the sixth string like we were playing a G chord, and we're going to pick up our index finger while our ring finger stays nailed down where it was at. It's never going to move on the second string. So you're going to pick the sixth string twice now, and then back over to the second string, and then the third. So the basic move here is just this. You've got the D shape. Remember, we're not doing the whole thing. Your middle finger is just going to float. Hold it just like this. Your middle finger reaches across, index finger comes up, and then to go back, middle finger comes up, and index finger goes back down. You know, you're going to want to take the time to pick up your fingers and move them like that. That way the notes don't ring out from one chord into the next. So nice and slow. I'll play it in time now that we went over the basics. Now the way that I like to do the picking primarily is play with two downs and then up, up. Now the reason for that is that puts our alternate picking going from the fourth string to the second or the sixth to the second as an alternate pick in the direction of our string change, or what we would call outside the string picking, and that's going to be more efficient and easier to do than what's called inside the string picking, which is what would happen if we went down, up, down, up. It's hard to get that to happen without clobbering the wrong string. So I like to do it down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. Now he mixes it up quite a bit. I'm adding in this a little thing, doing a pull-off hammer-on when I get to the G chord. If that's too complicated for you, you don't have to worry about it. You can simplify it and keep things nice and simple. Just like that, totally works. So thanks for checking out this quick little lesson. Next week we're going to dig into the solo of this song. If you like this lesson, please hit like and subscribe. Tap the little bell to get more notifications when we upload more videos. There's also plenty of product reviews and free guitar lessons on our channel. So thanks for watching again. Take it easy. Bye.